Hello friends! Right now I will show you how to make a delicious Rainier Cherries jam together with red currant syrup for exquisite taste and health benefits. Because red currants and the Rainier cherries ripen at the same time, it will be easy for you to make cherries jam and red currant syrup at the same time, and then just to add the syrup into the jam. Okay, let's do that. Step number 1. Pick your Rainier cherries in a dry and sunny day during the day. Step number 2. Wash them thoroughly with water. Step number 3. Pit the cherries and put pitted cherries into the large 5-6 quarts pot. Step number 4. To each quart of pitted cherries, add 1 quart of raw honey or pure brown sugar. Step number 5. Place the pot on the stove, turn it on a very small fire, and mix it well with a wooden spoon until all honey or brown sugar melts. Mix it with the spoon every 5 minutes. Step number 6. Bring the mixture to a boil, and as soon as it starts boiling, turn the stove off and cover it tight with the lid and leave it to cool off on the stove overnight. Step number 7. Make redcurrant juice. Put it in a separate pot. Step number 8. On each quart of redcurrant juice, add 1 quart of raw honey or a pure brown sugar. Step number 9. Place the pot on the stove, turn it on a very small fire, and mix it all well with a wooden spoon until all honey or brown sugar will melt, mixing with your spoon every 5 minutes. Bring the syrup to the boil, and as soon as it starts boiling, turn the stove off and cover tight with the lid and leave it overnight to cool off on the stove. Step number 10. When redcurrant syrup cooled off, take the pot carefully and put 1 quart of the redcurrant syrup into the 5 quarts of Rainier cherry jam. Step number 11. Mix it thoroughly, let it cool, and on the next day put it into the pasteurized and sanitized 16-ounce jars. Cover it tight with the metal lids and store your delicious jam in a cool, dark place. When the jam cools off, it will become thick with a distinctive aroma and unforgettable flavor, free of additives and unnecessary ingredients. Use it with your favorite cereal, ice cream, yogurt, top creamy desserts. You can make a stuffed French toast and a cherry pie. Bon appetit! And remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Live long, stay strong, be healthy. Until next time!